Hey guys, welcome back to World Mechanics. Thank you guys for watching and subscribing to the channel. Today will be super helpful video guys. If you have a BMW Z4 guys and you're trying to remove or replace your spark plug, stay with us guys and we'll explain how to do that. Now we'll demonstrate guys on a 6-cylinder gasoline engine that has been used in both generations Z4 guys. I'm talking about N52 engine, but it may be helpful on the N53, N54 and N55 6-cylinder gasoline engine. If you have a 4-cylinder engine, the video may be very helpful because the location of the spark plugs will be almost identical, and removing and replacing them, it's almost the same way as well. Now, before we start guys, if you need to buy any tools, parts, new spark plugs, everything that we use in our videos, we'll share the links in the description of the video below. Also, we'll share the torque specs and the gap specs for your BMW as we go, so make sure you stay until the end. Another thing, every single car we get at the shop, we make at least 200 free repair videos to you guys. Why we do that? Simply because our mission at the shop is to save you as much money as we can. All we need in return, please subscribe to the channel and like the video. Now, let me show you what we have here. This is N52 engine that can be found in multiple BMWs, including Z4, 3 Series, 5 Series, X3 and X5 here in the United States. Now we have the front end apart because we'll be doing quite many repairs on that engine, so if you have one, subscribe. We'll have information that can save you thousands of dollars. Also guys, on this channel right here, Auto Repair guys, this is our main channel, and we have helped more than 71 million people, and we have information that can save you thousands of dollars on repairs, so please guys, subscribe as well. Now, what do you need to do for your spark plugs? Your spark plugs are located under the upper engine cover usually guys. We'll show you where they're located and how to remove them. So you go ahead, remove the engine cover. Okay, it attaches to the valve cover. On this model specifically, it attaches with 4 rubber bushings. So it goes just like that. Okay, you can see on the upper valve cover. Now, that 6-cylinder engine will have 6 spark plugs because it has 6 cylinders. And starting from the very front of the engine towards the radiator, going all the way back, okay, you will have cylinder 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and cylinder number 6 right there. So we'll demonstrate guys how to replace one spark plug. The procedure to do that on the other cylinders is exactly the same. You need to remove the ignition coil. In order to do that, you need to open that cap. It's going to push the cable out. If it doesn't want to, you have to manually guys grab and pull the cable out. Okay, sometimes they get stuck guys, so maybe I need to grab and pull it. Okay, perfect, just like that. Grab the ignition coil and pull it straight up guys. Okay, just like that. Now your spark plugs will be on the inside. If you guys have an oil on your ignition coil or your spark plug, most likely you have a bad valve cover gasket, and we'll have a video how to fix that as well coming on the channel very soon guys. We'll get a 5/8 spark plug socket. All the tools and parts that we use, again, we'll share the links in the description of the video below for your convenience. So let us show you the sparks now. We put those plugs not too long ago. We want to recheck the gap. So whether you're rechecking the gap or you're replacing the spark plugs, it's practically the same procedure. So we're almost ready. This is the spark plug, Bosch spark plug guys. Okay, right there. Now, according to the manual for that N52 engine guys, for the N52 engine, the spark plug gap should be at 0.043 inches, or it should be guys at 11 millimeters. So we have the gauge here. That's very precise gauge. We'll have the link as well shared guys, and we're right at 11. Okay, let me focus. Perfect. So right on the spot. We don't have any wear so far on these spark plugs. When you're ready to replace the spark plug or you install your old one, you guys install it and you start it by hand. There is special anti-seize additive that you can put on the thread of the spark plug, but most people don't do that. So go ahead, do that, get it tight by hand until it stops. Then you need to get the torque wrench guys, and according to what I found, okay, for the N52 engine, it's 23 Newton meters plus minus 3 Newton meters, which means you can go anywhere from 20 to 26. We go at 23. This is a click type wrench. Once you reach the torque, it will click and you need to stop immediately. Listen now. Right there guys, this is it, we need to stop. So from that point on, all we have to do, go ahead, push the ignition coil back in, make sure it goes on top of the spark plug. You need to find that sweet spot, push it in, install the wire, Okay. Now the cap itself, it's supposed to close it when you press the cap down, but help it by hand, guys, because sometimes it doesn't do it. So that's how we do it. Hopefully the video will be helpful. Thank you for watching and see you guys next time.